Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm just glad you're here. Real quickly, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you to all those who stopped in to check out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate you guys. Makes all the difference. If you do take a chance and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, you'll be updated on when I release new stuff, and you will be helping me out in a huge way. Anyway, today I have got a very cool package to check out from our buddies at Amsler Tools. If you remember, I picked up an Amsler Tools Micro Hurricane not too long ago, probably about a year ago, off of Amsler's Etsy store. And then I picked up a standard Hurricane off of the Etsy store. This one's an S35VN. This one's in Magnacut. I apologize for the meowing. Hold on one second, guys. Sorry about that. This is a real channel, so when we get meowing, we just deal with it and let her out. So I'm going to take this little Hurricane and get into this guy. Cool little leveler cutter. Little swag in there. Let's see what else we got in here. Guys, these little Hurricanes, you've seen on my videos time and time again, they are the schniz. All right. So what we have here, guys, are two very cool little specimens that Amsler's letting me check out. Put away the Hurricane, put away the level cutter, and what we have here is, this is the Pinion Generation 2 Large and the Pinion in the Mini. And the material is Magnacut. Let's look at the Mini first. By the way, Amsler's packaging is fantastic. You get a certificate of authenticity, some of the different blades, and then you get a bag with a couple of different chains and some O-rings. I'll show you what those are for. What else we got in here? Bear with me, guys. I'm working around the knife. Now let's get the little knife out. There's the little knife. And it looks like I've got some Japanese candy in here that I'm actually going after. Check that out. Japanese candy, guys. What a win. Alright, so we're going to open this other one to compare the sizes. And this is the large Pinion. And again, guys, these are just unboxing videos, so I will be doing full thoughts on these two little knives. So what we have here, Kydex sheath. Keep in mind, let me break out the Mini Hurricane just so you can get a size comparison. So this is the Mini Hurricane, right? And this is the Baby Banter. So these are little fantastic cutters, box openers, EDC blades, very minimal impact. The small one here, it's going to be a little tight. Bear with me, guys. Getting to the first time out of the sheath, I'm trying not to cut myself. Bear with me. Let's start with the large one. They've got great retention. You can see in that hole right there. All right. Guys, check these out. And this is for O-rings. So if you want additional grip, you can pop these O-rings on. This one, the large, Again, it has some skeletonization for weight relief. It's got a super sharp little sheep's foot blade, and it looks like it has a bit cut out for a 1/4 inch bit, along with a little pry end. So you've got this little Magnacut hunk of burning love with a pry bar tip, a bit driver, and a blade. And you know what we have to do with the blade. Guys, therapeutically slicey. Now the Mini is also Magnacut. You've got Amsler for the weight relief cut out there. Again, you've got places for your extra O-rings. Holy smokes, guys. Look how slicey that is. Oh my gosh. Therapeutically slicey is an understatement, guys. Look at that. Sorry about the quietness, but yeah, guys, these are little Amsler tools. I guess this might be his latest release in terms of his little blades. I'd have to go check, but this is the Amsler Pinion and the Mini Pinion. So you've got a Mini Pinion, full-size Pinion, both of which are great sized little knives. When I say little knives, you've got fantastic Kydex sheath that has this speed hole is where it locks in. So you've got absolutely no movement, weighs nothing. I could put a simple clip on this, put it in my back pocket, put the chain on it, one of the chains. Same with the Mini here. Snaps in, absolutely no movement. Great little neck knife. I think I will wear this one as a neck knife. This one, who knows? I might put a little clip on this one and wear it in my back pocket, just see what happens. But guys, I will bring you a full thoughts on these little guys. I can tell you they're slicey little beasts. I'm a huge fan in what Amsler's doing, from the Hurricanes, which are great little knives, to some of the cooler stuff he's continuing to bring along. So I will leave a link to his Instagram. I will leave a link to his website. You guys can check it out. And I appreciate them sending this for me to check out. Guys, I love each and every one of you. Please, please, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.